honestly like super flattering that you all still show up, like just in supporting all of us. So I just want to thank all of y'all for being here. Thank my classmates for being my class, for always just, I guess, just hanging out and just supporting each other. I'm really glad that we actually hung together the entire time, didn't have any drama. Super glad for that. I'm thankful for my bros. Always pushing me and always being able to give the opportunity to push each other.